How to change the wallpaper in your Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change the wallpaper of your Windows 11 PC. So in order to start, the first thing that we need to do is head on to the settings of your Windows 11 computer. So to head on to the settings, simply drag down your cursor towards the bottom of your screen and then you need to right click onto this start button. So simply right click onto the start button and you can see this option of settings. So simply click onto the settings and then when the settings option opens, simply click onto this personalization tab. Now, if you are having any issues of navigating to this personalization tab, what you can simply do instead of this entire process is find any empty space in your desktop and right click on it. Once you will do this, you can see this option of personalize. So simply click onto this personalize button and you will be landed onto the same page as I have shown you before. Now from here you need to click onto this background option. So once you have clicked onto the background option, you can see that it says personalize your background. Here the background means the wallpaper. So there are different types of background or wallpapers that you can apply. Currently it is set to picture, so it is a picture background. If you will click onto this drop down arrow, you can see a number of other options like a solid color background, a slideshow, or a Windows spotlight. So if you want a solid color background, you can simply click onto this solid color and choose any color. So for example, let's say this rose color, and once I have selected the rose color, if I will go back, you can see that my desktop is now appearing in this rose color that I have selected. But if you want to apply any picture, so what you can do is simply select the picture from here, and under the recent images you can see this option of choose a photo. So you can simply click onto this browse photos option if you have any particular picture or photograph that is stored in your PC. So simply click onto the browse photos and then it will open your file explorer. Now from here simply navigate towards the photo that you wish to apply. So for example, let's say this particular photograph right here. So once you have selected this, simply click onto this choose picture option. Once you have done this, you can go back and you can see right here that this wallpaper has been successfully applied into your system. So there are other options if in case if you want to apply these options, like for example, if you want to change its orientation or the fit for your desktop image, you can do this from here. The options include fill, fit, stretch, tile, center, and span. And also, instead of pictures, you can apply solid color as I've shown you, a slideshow, or any Windows spotlight if you want. Windows spotlights are basically those photographs that update automatically, and it can show you any picture that is the most relevant to you. So this is also a new feature that many Windows 11 users like to apply. So that's how you can simply and easily change the wallpaper in your Windows 11 computer. So if this video was any helpful to you, do consider giving it a like. Tell us in the comments how it went for you, and also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.